Hi everyone, I'm Teresa the teacher. Welcome to my video, Sports, Play, Go or Do. The video is an English only video and I usually speak with a British English accent. When we speak about one sport or more sports, you can count sports. One sport, a sport, 5 sports, no problem. When you speak about sports in general, as an activity, the grammar is different. In British English, we say sport, it's uncountable. And for North American English, we say sports, plural. So listen and repeat. In British English, do you do any sport? Do you do any sport? Do you do any sport? And in North American English, do you play any sports? Do you play any sports? Do you play any sports? Okay. Now, to the topic of this video. Play football, go swimming, do yoga. The verbs are different. Play, go, do. Why? Go is used with sports with ing at the end. When the sport, the name of the sport has ing, you go that. You go swimming. Listen and repeat. Go swimming. Go running. Go jogging. Go skiing. Go skiing. Go skating. Skating. Go dancing. Go dancing. Go cycling. Go cycling. Go bowling. Go bowling. Go bowling is difficult for Czech people because Czech people think about bowling and they think, play. But no, in English you go bowling because it's got ing at the end. This one is also a problem for some people. Listen and repeat. Go cycling. Go cycling. And ride a bike. Ride a bike. Okay. Now play is used with team sports, games, and ball games. Ball games are sports where you use a ball. Listen and repeat. Play football. Play football. Play volleyball. Play volleyball. Play basketball. Play basketball. Play tennis. Play tennis. Play ice hockey. Play ice hockey. Play cards. Play cards. Play chess. Play chess. Play computer games. Play computer games. This is play chess. No chess. Play chess. And this is play Ludo. Play Ludo. It's the British name for this game. The American English also has a similar game, but the name is different, and I think the game is a little bit different. This is Ludo. Play darts. Play darts. Play darts. And do is used with individual sports and sports with no ball. For example, listen and repeat. Do yoga. Do yoga. Do yoga. Do karate. Do karate. Do judo. Do judo. Do exercise. Do exercise. Do aerobics. Do aerobics. Do gymnastics. Do gymnastics. Do athletics. do athletics, do boxing, do boxing. Now, as you can see, the rule is go in, but do boxing is different. You go swimming, go running, go jogging, go dancing, but you do boxing. Life is not fair, I am sorry. And now, one exercise for you. You can stop the video, okay? You can stop the video and write swimming, play, go or do. Gymnastics, play, go or do. So stop the video now, write everything down, and then watch the rest of the video to get the correct answers. You can stop now. Are we back? Okay, the right answers are go swimming, do gymnastics, play volleyball, play ping pong, go cycling, do karate, play chess, go running, go bowling, but be careful, do boxing. I know, terrible. Play football and do exercise. If you liked the video, you can like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. That's it. Thank you very much, and see you next time.